Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start fast, open the photo and duplicate background twice, label them low and high. Convert to 16-bit if available for smoother blends, then hide high. On low, apply a Gaussian blur around 8 to 12 px to remove small texture while keeping color. Once done, make high visible, set its blend mode to linear light, and apply image to subtract low. This separates texture from tone so you can attack the light effect precisely. Now you remove the blown-in light selectively. On high, heal, or clone, at about 50% strength to preserve pores while removing specular hotspots. This fixes texture without altering tone. Then switch to low and use curves or paint sampled colors with a soft 30–50% opacity brush to even out midtones and reduce brightness where the light hit. Make sure to add a layer mask and paint your corrections only onto the face, so finish by adding a 50% gray layer set to overlay and use low opacity dodge or burn to subtly restore shape and depth. This keeps the face dimensional. Then toggle the pair and adjust opacity of low and high together until the result looks natural. If you see texture or color mismatch, reopen high to reclone or refine the low layer with more targeted curves work. Make sure to save a layered PSD. If things go wrong, step back to earlier layers and reduce effect intensity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.